Right, so again, remember, sometimes they do not tell you the form, right? That's why I gave you those options, right? But once you see something like A sine theta plus B cos theta, you have to figure out what form to put it in, right? All right. So the last identities that we have to do is this one here. Right? I'm going to show you them and then I'll show you where they came from, right? Right. Right. So I gave you these. This is what we did last day. Right? How to get the max value, minimum value, and so on, right? Right. The last set of formulas that we have to do are these here. These are called the factor formulas. Right? I don't know why this is right. Right? These last four formulas here are called the factor formulas. So for example, right? If I ask you to find cos 2x plus cos 3x, right? You don't individually have to go and get identities to these. All you have to do is use this rule here. Write down what is A, write down what is B, and then work it out. All right? So head of factor formulas, we're going to prove all of these here. No, that's typo.
You see?
All right. Formulas is the formula. How people use formulas? Yeah, let's go. Check and see. Because we're going to prove them. What we're going to prove them? Yeah, pretty well. That is right. Right, but that's why I have the future. Yeah. Write them down fast. Right? This here is a little mistake, right? There's this part here alone. Oh yeah. Write down four of them. I just want to show you where they came from, right? We'll just prove one at least. Right. They are called the factor formulas. Yeah, multiplying. That's multiplying. Huh? Do you type it out? Are you type it out? Sure. I said, oh, open it up.
I see that not mine. If you sound like that, so
Okay, please copy down these four laws and let's take a look at how to prove them. Ready? Anybody write an answer?
Yeah.
Right, I'm just going to show you to prove one or two of them, and then you could always. If you want to. Right, so you would use these formulas if you see something like sine 5x plus sine 6x, or sine 3x minus sine 2x. All right, that's when you will actually use these formulae, right? Right, but as I said, what we did last class was the most popular thing that you will see in a question, right? That comes along. That's the R sine theta thing. Yeah, and general solution. Every other year you see that. All right, taking this off. I'm gonna improve the first one here, right? All you got to the same pattern, right? Any ideas how to do it?
It's separate diagram, okay, it's separate diagram.
That sounds like it. Here again, the last one.
We don't see watching it there. It's similar to the double angle or
Double angle compound.
compound, same shit, same thing.
So I like it. So basically, if you set up something like this, right? If you remember these rules here, f sine x plus y, what's this with? What is sine x plus y? Sine yeah, sine x cos y plus sine y cos x. And what is sine x minus y? Same thing except for the minus sign, right? Right. So what you see now? What would happen if I add these two? What would happen if I add sine x plus y? If I add it to sine x minus y, what will I get? Two of this, right? You're seeing that? These two will sum, and I'll get 2 sine x cos y. What will happen here? Cancel off, right? That's okay? Everybody okay there? Now to show you the real magic, right? If you look at your formula, enter sine A plus sine B. That's the formula. So let's do something here. Let's let A equal to x plus y. And let B equal to x minus y. Partially there. This is A and this is B. Why do minus C? Why do minus it? Down to the next one. The one that we're working out here is sine A plus sine B. Right? When you do the minus, that'll be the next one. Here now, so as I said, I'll let A equal to this and I'll let B equal to this. Now I need to figure out what is x and y. Right? How I get x and y here? Can I add? If I get A plus B, and that will be 2x. A plus B is 2x, and so x is what? A plus B all over 2. Correct? What about if I minus instead? If I took AB, if I minus instead, I'll get A minus B. This is 0. This is 2y. So I'll get y to be A minus B on 2. Correct? So can I take x, put it in here? Can I take y, put it in here? Can I take A, put it here, and put B and put it here? So if I substitute now, I will end up with sine A plus sine B is equal to 2 sine x A plus B on 2 cos y. Y is a minus b on 2. Okay with that? Right? So that's technically what the proof will look like. How you will get sine A minus sine B? You just minus from here. How you will get cos A plus cos B? You get then pays for cos. Okay? So let's remove one favor. Prove the what? Prove the one cos A minus cos. Huh? Oh, I'm bringing it up here. Minimum one. All right, since we have this proof sine A minus sine B. Right, since we have this here, just prove sine A minus sine B. Right, prove the rule for sine A minus sine B. Find sine A minus sine B. Right, and that's the end of tricks. I just do this one because okay. Right, this brings us to the end of tricks. All the theory. Now to practice and make sure we can touch it. Right, test next day, right?
What? I'll test tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I'm sure.
Yeah, thank you. Yes.
Oh, I'm not print yours on Saturday.
Why are we getting? Yeah, me too.
Right now, 11, I haven't. Yeah, sure. Huh? Why you waiting for? What you been for? That was only one. I don't know who I signed it up. No, I don't want to. I think that's my. What the other part? All right, sign, right? So as I said, all we have to do is minus, right? Minus sine x plus y and sine x minus y. Right? When you minus it, the first two will cancel, and then you'll get 2 sine y cos x. There's no need to do over that, right? Sine A minus sine B is 2 sine y, A minus B on 2, cos A plus B on 2. That's okay? There's no need to go and do over this, right? Because we already know what A and B is. And we know what y and x is. That's okay? And in a similar way, you can prove cos and so on. That's okay? Everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
All right. So let's just prove a couple with these in it. Let's do some identities with this in it, and then go back to papers and wrap up tricks. Right? After tricks is coordinate geometry. So some coordinate geometry and actually you also get a couple, but I want to give it a test. No, those don't give test with multiple choice. Titanium. But I don't know how that one is, but let's see. No, it'll be auto-corrected. I know I'm correct. All right, try this here from an up, please. Prove that sine 4x minus. Prove that sine 4x over sine 2x. Try this, please. Right, so here, what's the rule we're going to use here, Matthews? To simplify this, the top part. Sine
E.
minus sine B.
Yeah.
So we're using this rule here to simplify the top.
Yeah.
What's the rule on it we're going to use?
Yeah.
We're going to use cos
E.
plus cos B, right? And I wrote it down. Okay? So you're using those two rules to simplify, and it should look like this afterward.
I was thinking it would look like that.
Try it and see. It should be about 4 lines now. 4 lines. We write more than 4 lines. Drop it off and start again. Yeah? Right? So use the right rules and do it again. All you get through 4 lines? All you get through 4 lines? Yeah, sir. That's the get through. Right, so the first one is what? What does the first one simplify to? The first one simplifies to this, right? The first one simplifies to 2 sine a minus b, which is 4x minus 2x all over 2 cos a plus b. So that'll be 4x plus 2x over 2. This is the left hand side I'm working with, right? All over. What is cos 4x plus 4x? That's 2 over what? 2 over cos. Yeah, tell me what is 2 over a minus b on 2, a plus b on 2. Yeah? So it should be 4x minus 2x on 2 cos 4x plus 2x on 2. Want to get that? Cos A plus cos B is 2 cos A minus B on 2 cos A plus B. It don't matter, commutators. Right? It's multiplication. Right? But I put it like this so these two can cancel off nicely.
Yeah, I get that.
Right? So I'll be left with 2x on 2 is x. 4x on that's 6, so that's cos 3x all over 2 cos x cos 3x. This will cancel, and you'll get tan x. Right? I have it the other way around, but it don't matter because it's multiplication, right? The questions online? Good job, Jesse. Any questions online? Keshav, you okay with it? Keshav, you listening? Keshav, man, there, boy.
What? No, we didn't, guys. Why you say that?
Try that, please.
See, how you gonna put that in everything? So why you laugh? Answer straight, last question.
Oh yeah, try this next one, please. Prove it again. Prove it again, please. Darian, what are you gonna use for side? Darius. What are you gonna call those pages together? What do you know?
This is
Good for long.
Yeah. It's so much fun. It is.
Don't get you?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Wait, okay, a minute again. Remember coordinate geometry.
Yeah.
Circle geometry, right?
Yeah. No.
Circle?
That would be
No?
my square.
So we're gonna look at circle, parabola, and here. Those are the three shapes there. Today is just international trade. International trade day today. Yeah, we can do this. Right, so you wanna get cosec. Cosec is 1 on sine, right? So we're supposed to end up with that 1 on sine A. That's okay? We're not too sure what will happen with it to cos A, so I'll leave it like that, right? I don't want to use an identity and I use the wrong one. Because remember, cos 2A have 3 options, right? So I don't want to interpret cos 2A as yet. I'm just gonna work out here. What will this be? This will be 2 sine 7A plus 3A on 2 cos 7A minus 3A on 2. Right? The two cancel. You will still have cos 2A on top. And underneath you will have 10 over 2 is 5A. 4 or really easy, man.
Yeah.
And this will cancel. You will get 1 on this, which is right. That's okay. So this one even shorter, like 3 lines. That's okay. All right. Let's go again.
Great.
Any questions online?
Yes. Bicep left something.
Alright, next, ready? So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put everything together and try a full past paper, right? Right, using all everything from the past 5 classes, right? Everything in trig. So we're gonna trigs alone. So we're gonna take a look at solving. We're gonna take a look at sketching already come all the time. We're gonna take a look at all the rules.
Yeah, but.
Alright? Ready? Let's go. Right, let's start. Prove that, please. Right, this is number 3. Prove that, please. Number 3A. Prove that, please. That's the voice.
These are that stuff.
Ah, sorry. Which side probably? That's a good one. Both of them. Break down the right hand side a little bit. Don't go over them and break down the right hand side a little bit. Break down the right hand and then you can go to the left. But more than likely, I feel like the right might help you out more. Left? Okay. Go right there. Hit the left, hit the right.
Go right there.
Next. Oh yeah, let's see what you got. Right, here's an example. As I said, you should bring the right hand side down a little bit, right? I remember bullying in school, or?
Yes.
Last month, so. Bring some that stuff for them on the ground.
Yeah, my kids not one of them.
Right, look at the right side, on the right side, there is no, and left side, sorry. The left side, there is no cost, right? Right, so focus on working with the right hand side, let's do it again. Anybody get it online? Anybody get it yet? Anybody get it, but it's QED.
No, 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 right now. Very well. Very well.
Fish up again, should I? Instead of nothing like fish up. The fire again, sure. Yeah. Right, remember send QED once again, right? Chelsea, what you get time with the LCM, right? What you got for the LCM? Cos theta, right? Numerator is 1 minus sine, and then you have to square everything. Right? When you square everything underneath, you'll get cos squared, right? But do you want to leave cos? No. So you want to write 1 minus sine squared. And the top is 1 minus sine theta all squared. What's a little hint there now underneath? You have to use something there. You have to draw. Okay, when you have a little hint there. Difference of two squares? Yeah, and you'll get it. Difference of two squares and you'll get it. Huh? That's what you're saying? Rationalization means the same thing as I'll make a note of that. I'll add that to the notes, right? Rationalization is the same as difference of two squares.
Exactly.
Right, so the square will cancel and you'll get 1 minus sine theta over. Right? So that wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad, right? Wow, next one. That was a whole 9 marks.
Yes,
After this, we're not done with part 8. We have plenty of time.
Yeah.
Next one. That was 9 marks earlier. Nice one here. It's about 3 lines long. 4 marks to that. Show that that is equal to that. Or you'll find it, that was too much marks. Hold on. I don't make sense.
Just keep it boss. Yes.
9 marks. How many lines over? 3, 4 lines? Anyway, that's probably one of them balancing questions. Go ahead, work this out. Next one. Double Kalina. With the last one? No? Right, there's a QED again. Tell me to get it. Next QED here. Wait, something missing. Is part C, eh? Where is part B? Alright, something missing there.
What else is? Alright,
I'm not sure now. This pen tree. Hold on, I have it somewhere else. Anybody else pen tree? They can just sign it somewhere else. Some parts of it not showing up. Standard, yeah, I saw something. But what happened is somebody papers, like somebody questions, not people. So that part was 9 marks and there's a solve in between. I suppose to have it there. Right, the part B and C there, right? You always see it. Right, so what's the rule we're going to use here, Daria? Come here, ask the answer. Which is what? Plus what? No, tell me the rule they're going to use. Cos what? Right? Cos A plus B, which is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Right? So we know what A is. A is pi on 2 and B is x. Right? So that will be equal to cos. That will be equal to cos pi on 2. Right? Cos pi on 2 cos x minus sin pi on 2 sin x. So you recognize cos pi on 2 is 0. Cos pi on sin pi on 2 is 1. So you'll end up with minus sin x. Right? So that was an easy 4 marks, right? That's okay? All right. The next part not showing up on my iPad, but I'll send it in the group. Let's take a look at part B now. B, number 3, part B. Right? We're doing all the trades. Channel, you okay with that? Sure. Why you get wrong? They use that rule. I didn't work out. Or I didn't get a plug in the calculator. That time. Right. Go to the past paper. As I said, I'm not full enough, right? And do part B for me. Real simple. That's like an odd maths question. So 2 cos squared minus 3 sin x is equal to 3. You'll see that? 2 cos squared x minus 3 sin x is equal to 3. Between 0 and 2 pi. Fine. What? You know what I'm
Yeah.
2
Yeah.
cos squared x
Yeah.
minus 3 sin x is equal to 3. Right? Solve between 0 and 2 pi. Right? That's our next. That's our next time. That's already easiest trick though. I can't anybody knows somebody who's making pasta. Make pasta. Oh, seriously.
That's serious. I mean,
I don't know, not could make people who would make like an like food or something or
Yes, I know.
Serious? See that make fish.
Fish pasta. Yeah. Don't forget that. Fish pasta. Basic time blended pasta.
That fish pasta. I don't eat meat, so I don't think I'll at least the fish pasta. At least
I see you.
I did seafood.
Hold on, that's very tricky, so that's because
Meat with chicken. Sorry, man. Yeah, if anybody would make fish in particular, not soya and not vegetarian.
What about lentils?
Not vegetarian, I don't want.
What about shrimp pasta?
Nah. The way I know always be sometimes, but she use real crab or she use artificial. And then, sometimes the artificial as well. All right, so I want you to try the solvent on the right? What was again? 2 cos squared x minus 3 sin x, right? Between 0 and 2 pi. Question, right? What's the first thing to do? Right. Get rid of cos squared, right? So that's 1 minus sin squared x. Oh yeah, make it equal to 0, solve the quadratic, but they want all the answers, huh? Okay? And you have a quadratic. Hurry up.
So one I got to because it's not. I remember that's the plan that
What am I doing to fix the next time? Right? By the way, working in radians, right? Yeah, I feel I might get more. Right? So you'll get 2 sine squared x plus 3 sine x plus 1 is 0. Right? Well, I can help mouse here. When you factorize this, what you get? Minus a half 1. Minus 1. Right. So x is equal to sine inverse minus a half. Sine is negative in the third and the fourth, right? So it's pi plus pi on 3. No, sorry, pi on 6. And 2 pi minus pi on 6. Right? So that is 5. That is 7 pi on 6. 12 minus 1 is 11 pi on 12.
I do that.
And that's changing it, right? So 11. Goes 11 more time. And 11? Yeah? No. 11. 2 has this. And here, x is equal to sine inverse minus 1, right? It's only minus 1 at one value, that's 3 pi on 2. So you have 1, 2, 3 answers. That's okay? How I get up tomorrow? Oh, what is 2 pi minus pi on 6? Right? Why are 12? Sorry. I don't know. I don't know why I have 12. All right. Come on, guys. The hood sauce.
Wait, you were serious about that?
What?
Oh, no, so you got no
All right. Right. So those are the values that we need to get, right? Find sine inverse 1, the pi on 2, and it's positive, negative in the third quadrant. So pi plus pi on 2 to get 3 pi on 2. Or 2 pi minus pi on 2, which is still 3 pi on 2. You can graph as well. Find the next about 1. All right, let's try this code fast now. Huh? What? Yeah. Like put that one. I mean, I'm sure put that one.
Oh, one second.
Yeah, 1 and 2, 1, 2. Don't know if 1 out of 1. Now the other one. Let's go on that. Right, that's where everything is. Huh? Yeah, there must have everything. No, those have different video. These videos not edited, those videos are the elements edited. Very short.
Yeah, not for lots too.
Yeah, master.
Oh,
I think not. Yeah, master.
See, yeah, I'm planning.
I now the works. I don't know the fix it, apply. I was 6.
I guess.
Diane, you're ready?
And this is like I'm here.
Diane, one of them must have been the study. He was smart to be in Diane.
So it's relative. This is like.
Right, these are just identities alone, right? These are just identities alone. Logging quick. Right, so that's the end of tricks there, right? So now what you can do is take a few years and practice. And bring it tomorrow, we can go through it, right? So Lina, when they're going to go home, they can take some pictures. So Lina, no, they can't get back. Right, so they can go home. Right, that stuff. They go home and do all the tricks, right? Alright, plug in quick. Who's this? Franklin, Shucks, sorry, yes, ma'am. Yeah, what did I mistake? Plug in. Oh gosh, finish all your YouTube activities now. I don't do anything. What is jingle bell? Where? I started. When it was used, right? Or the winner of the game. No, I think that's just a I think you have one to simplify. One correct answer. You might need it. Might need a calculator, might need a pen. Yeah, you see, I wish you were good. Not 19 people. Yeah, man, I wish you were a little Please. Who's this? It's spelled wrong, so. Who's this here? I'm going to that. Or you can just do that.
But see, X plus X.
That one.
It's you see, it's X plus X is 2X.
Yeah.
But it's
No, but that's all the options they give you. Sine 2x. So you have sine,
X plus X.
and then you have your brackets.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay.
So why did you put 2x?
Sorry.
Alright, next one. Next time, next time.
It's your baby.
I didn't read it.
I don't have
Right, watch. Two of them is the same. I just listening to one of them putting sine A plus B and somebody shout out that sine A. Everybody get it wrong? That's multiply. That's multiply, right? That's multiply. Did you all rearrange it? What? Yeah, wait. I think all the mixing it up, but this is tan A plus tan B. Yeah? What is tan A plus B?
So when I turn AV over,
Tan A plus B is this over this. Right, but I asked for tan A plus tan B. And we arrange the formula. I didn't ask for tan open bracket A plus B. I didn't pay attention. But what is it? This is the rule that you all know. What is it? Oh, this tan A plus B is not the same as. That's not the same thing. You have to use the rule, right? You have to use the rule, right? So pay attention. It's not you all. Some of you all not paying attention to the question, right? Take your time and read it. Some of them nice and tricky.
I don't like this.
Next one. Plus 2x.
Yeah.
Sneak up. What's going on here?
See, that's guessing. This one.
Oh, like a shingle?
Yeah.
Don't jet through the chip. I like this one. You gotta write here. Next week, no. I know that you were retouched. You pick all the clues, but I might pick. Right, so it can shut the expand it out and divide. Yeah, because it would have been custom sign.
Yeah, but she's in the class, you know.
No, one of the signs you mean underneath.
What's
Sign out, whatever you guys.
Yeah, one of the costs on top remain, the signs cancel, sign out the,
Yeah, but it's not
One sign.
yeah, one of them. So you'll get cost on sign. Yes, no,
No, okay, you know what?
yeah, but that one, you have to work out anyway. Right, cost theta minus plus will give you the minus, right? But it's a plus here. She coming up there. Yeah, Darian, Vinesh. Yeah, still no. How much space have? Yeah, no trouble there. I'll figure out double points again. True or false? Right, this how they work out because it's a plus and a plus line. So we are supposed to be a plus, right? She then come up now. She then she had to make up good. Two more after, one more after this. What do you have? Oh, I like this one. I like this one. You can do it mentally. Just something in place. I get it, we'll go R, right? How to work out R. Speed going there, but speed with 5 seconds until the really easy, really easy.
Yes.
Alright, let's shoot the couple second turn two. I don't know who's that. Stand up. Up some second, well done. And speed with it also. Jillian Ford, well done, Jillian, yes, well done. Right feet, copy tomorrow, you'll get right?
Yeah, I'm on.
Yeah.
Hello.
Around, we don't know what.